Welcome to the sixth lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 1. Today we will be writing a knit spec. For a 14-gauge, fully fashioned turtleneck sweater with set-in sleeves, we will be using hollow panel function for collar and hem dip, and split setup course function to accomplish symmetrical sleeve sweep split. We will be using the knit spec we made in Lesson 1 as template, and make adjustments from here. Let's start with adjusting the panels to desired shape. Turtleneck. Right-click and select Add Hollow Mark, using hold stitch and single in center. Turn off Measurements view and edit the shape of the hollow panel by dragging the nodes. Set measurements for the hollow panel. Uncheck Collar Band in the General Info tab to remove Collar Band panel from Knit Spec. Change number of structures in front body panel to 2 and set the structure, tension and density for turtleneck. Add new node on turtleneck line segment where the structure changes and set measurements for new node. Right-click on the new node and select Change Structure, Jersey, to 1x1. Edit knitting rules for the hollow panel. Edit ribs, setting for the turtleneck. Repeat the above steps for front panel. Edit knitting rules for hollow panel. Next, create another hollow panel for hem dip and set the measurements accordingly. Note that, when editing the knitting rules, you have to uncheck concave style for initial steep slope that gradually levels off. Let's move on to the next key takeaway. Slit cuff. Right-click on the sleeve panel. Select Set Mirrored Number of Splits for Setup Course to 2. Set measurements for the slit. Edit knitting rules for sleeve. Tidy up and canvas, and we are done. Extended takeaway. Asymmetrical cuff slit. Cancel the split we created earlier. Right-click on sleeve. Select Set Number of Splits for Setup Course 2. Set measurements for splits. As this is not a mirrored split setup, we need to set measurements for both sides. Edit knit instructions for sleeve. Extended takeaway 2. Fully fashioned half Milano trim on slit cuff. Cancel the split we created earlier. Right-click on sleeve. Select Convert to new waistband mode. Right-click on sleeve. Select Set mirrored number of splits for setup course 2. Add new node to create the desired shape. Set measurements for the slit. Edit knit instructions for sleeve. Right-click on segment where we want to add the half Milano trim. Select half Milano edge setting. Check Use half Milano edge and fill in settings for trim. A fully fashioned half Milano trim will be automatically added to the cuff at export. Repeat for the segment above. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.